use for patients, they're just incredibly cheap, right? One thing I wanted to mention is, as I'm doing this, I mean, it is an issue that you're putting a sharp syringe needle into a very expensive centerpiece, right? So as I put it in here, I'm being very careful to avoid touching the sides with the needle. And I just bent this needle, so I'm not going to reuse this one. And the other part is, all joking aside, is to be careful to avoid sticking yourself. It is not impossible to do. And you know, one thing you might complain, it depends on who makes the proteins. People may ask the question, can we reuse the proteins after this if they're very precious? And the answer is, for velocity experiments, is maybe. It depends on the sample, because some proteins will I'm a little bit low for some reason, but there, that's good. And so what might happen is that the reason I say it depends on the protein. Some of them, when you sediment, you can imagine they get all concentrated at the bottom, right? They can like literally come out of solution, precipitate, and plate out onto the bottom of the cell, in which case they're done, right? On the other hand, some proteins, you just shake the cell up, and they come right back into solution. And then you can just take it back out. So those two are loaded.